So facing down the drive, the trench and the cable are supposed to be going in to the middle or to the left of me, and you can see that they're right over to the right. They're off the track because they've actually dug up the verge for the track. You can see there's no lights or reflective tape. They appear to have using the track as a car park overnight when it's completely unlit. So they've parked a digger on here in the pitch black with no lights on it. This is the verge that we had that was due to have concrete sleepers put inside it. So you can see they're actually widening the track. If we look at this section here, the pink area is actually off the edge of the track. So the track is on the darker bit, and this pink bit was currently exposed because we were doing works on the track, which is now wasted money. And we've got what was left of the verge. And you can see that the track is, they've left a trench here. Someone's obviously come up the track overnight, seen the digger at the last minute and swerved around it, and then nearly gone down the trench. So here you can see the extent of where they've widened the track. They've almost doubled it in width. They've pushed the track right up against the fence, driven a digger up and down right close to the fence. So all the fence posts will now be weakened and pushed out the sockets. And you can actually see some of it starting to lean. They obviously realise that they're causing a problem because there seems to be equipment abandoned in the field. Luckily we didn't have any livestock in this field today. We've now moved it out so that and won't be using this field again until the fence has been replaced. So the track is now looking 2-lane width when it's only supposed to be 12 to 14 feet wide. And we'll walk on down and you can see what they class as passable. So you can see where they've severed through one of the speed bumps here and left it so that it's completely uneven. I'm actually sinking as I walk, and this is the good bit. So you can see here again where they've done the same on the other side, and they've completely trashed the fencing. So they just seem to be digging holes and then backfilling with deep mud, having completely trashed the surface. We're having to use the Land Rover, that's what you can hear behind me, because the track is now not passable by cars. We've had to say to all the people that come up and help me due to my disability that they can't come and help now because they won't be able to get the cars up and down. You can see they've built themselves a nice little compound here, put a nice big load of soil over the access path so you can't access up and down there anymore. And this is what they call passable by cars. You can't see how deeply rooted it truly is on the video, but let me just show down. So if I go down, there's my foot. These ruts are they're well over my ankle deep. And this is all loose mud. I'm just going to stop there and take some more photographs. So I'm wondering if that big pile of soil is what they're intending to replace our Type 1 surface track with, that we spent thousands of pounds on last year, which we wouldn't have spent if we'd known. So you can see as we come down, you couldn't get a car even on this bit because it's so uneven. You can see the total mess they've left. This is the area where all the cars that were trying to come up last night were scraping their bottoms out and are now going to have to go and get checked by garages. So I'm going to keep the video running because the men are coming back and I'm worried about what they'll say. But yeah, I'll just put it in my pocket while I take pictures.